Hello, welcome to the Zebra Experience Center. This video will show you how to assemble a Zebra Intelligent Cabinet, like this one here, starting from its flat pack. We will also show you the tools needed and what nuts, bolts and screws you will find in the package. So here are the tools we need to build a cabinet. A hex driver, a Torx T20, T25 and T30 bits, 8mm and 10mm sockets, a torque wrench and a pair of side cutters or box knife for packaging. This is how the cabinet arrives in flat pack, so I suggest you open the box where you want to build the cabinet. All the components are individually packed for your convenience, and you have one pack that contains all the fasteners you need. Follow the QR code and we'll take you to the Zebra website where you can download the assembly guide. Let's now assemble the cabinet. I suggest you put the parts on a table. Here we have the rear panel and the back bracket. A good idea is to put the power distribution unit on the right hand side. Make sure the brackets are in the right way up. The center holes will line up when correct. We will now attach the two side panels. These are different for each side, so make sure you correctly identify the left and right sides. They are held in place with M6x16 countersunk screw. Do not fully tighten the screws just yet. As you can see, the angle of the panel matches the angle of the rear bracket. The next step is to assemble the front brackets. These are different for left and right, so make sure you have the shelf support facing the middle of the cabinet. Repeat for the other side. We will now attach the top and bottom panels to the cabinet. First, we must identify each part. The base panel has a recess for each rubber foot, while the top panel is smooth. Attach the panel using M6 countersunk screws. Remember to secure the feet first before installing the panel. Now we must fit the top and bottom guide rails. These are also different and must be identified. The top rail is lightweight with a shadow angle that matches the top panel. The bottom rail is made from heavier material with a 90-degree angle. Moving to the next step, we stand the cabinet upright. This is a good time to tighten all the cabinet screws and fit the hinges ready to take the doors. Leave the hinges screws loose to allow for adjustment. We are getting close to finishing, but now we must fit the doors. Each door is made up of two parts. Firstly, we hang the grey door to the hinges and attach the locking mechanism and handle. You can now fit the hinges to the window panel. Remember to remove the protective cover first. Finally, fit the door retaining block, check the alignment of the doors and tighten all the screws. The cabinet is fully assembled and now we can place the shelves inside. We can use any available slot and the shelves comes with pre-drilled holes that you can use to secure the cradles. Finally, if needed, we can fit the kiosk rail mount to the cabinet. Step 1. Mount the rail to the side of the cabinet. This rail can be mounted either side. Step 2. Fit the power supply bracket internally on the same side. Step 3. Mount the hinges and bracket to the side rail. Step 4. Secure the screen mount to the angle bracket. Step 5. Feed the power supply lead through the rail and secure with cable clamp. Step 6. Fit finishing plate to the top of the rail and cabinet. I hope you found this video helpful. You should now have a fully operational storage and charging solution, suitable for any Zebra devices. The functionality of your cabinet can be further enhanced by the addition of ZAMS, the Zebra Access Management System. If you require any further assistance with your cabinet, then please contact your local Zebra representative.